Hi, it's Lori from Coast to Coast Craft Girls coming to you from the West Coast. Today I wanted to share a really simple, easy, goes together super quick card using the Crafter's Companion in Perfect Harmony collection. I used the papers, a die, a stamp, and the embossing folder from that collection. And it just goes together super quick. A little bit of die cutting, a little bit of inking, one stamp, and you're pretty much done. It's a 6x6 card. There's a little bit of dimension. It doesn't there doesn't have to be. You can make it perfectly flat if you want, but I just like that little bit of dimension. Super easy to make. Let me show you how it's made. So it's a 6x6 card, and I'm going to do it as a side fold. So I have a 6x6 card base. If you don't have a 6x6 card base, or you can scale it down if you're in the US and you don't want a 6x6 because it's a little more expensive postage sometimes, cut 1/2 inch off, make it 5 1/2, and then it'll fit in a rectangular envelope that you can mail for a normal stamp. But side fold card, so this is 12x6 scored at 6. This paper came from the Crafter's Companion Perfect Harmony collection, and that's what I'm using for this card. And then I've just got some brown matte cardstock, and you can see I cut a circle out of it because I am using a circle in the brown. So let me mat this up. And then I've got all of my design elements. So here's the circle that I cut out. And then this is some music paper that I cut or that I printed on my computer. I basically just searched for sheet music, images of sheet music. And this is Shut Up and Dance, which is not exactly a cello music, but that's okay. Because I just wanted the music symbols. And I just picked one that I liked the looks of. And printed that on my laser printer just on some, it's like this paper is meant for like printing certificates, or something. It's that kind of thin mottled paper. And I just cut that. I cut the brown with a 4 1/2 inch nesting die and then one size down nesting die with the sheet music. And then I cut a strip of brown that's 1 3/4 inch wide, and then 1 1/2 inch wide, just off-white ivory colored cardstock. And then I ran that through the embossing folder, musical notes, that comes with that In Perfect Harmony collection. And then inked it up with some seal brown. Okay, so I've got those two pieces. And then I've got a sentiment, which I cut the brown with my fancy shaped ovals, and then I cut the ivory and stamped it with a stamp from that same collection, like Sing Like No One Is Listening. And then I inked that as well, just to kind of make it look a little bit aged. I like to do a little bit of inking on my white and ivory cardstock just so that it's not so stark, or, it gives it a little more look of aged. Then I cut the cello and the bow. Again, these dies came from that same collection, musical instruments dies, out of some dark brown Centura Pearl. And then I just put a little bit of gilding wax on there, just across the strings and here. And I will give you a hint. This is Centura Pearl. And I'm very heavy-handed with my gilding wax, so I don't know if you can see, but I got some over here. And what I did is, to get it off, is I grabbed a baby wipe as soon as I put it on there, and I just rubbed around where I didn't want the gilding wax with that baby wipe, and it took a lot of it off. So that was, I think if you get to it quickly, you can kind of fix some of the mistakes. And then I'm just going to build my card. And I'm going to put a little dimension underneath each layer. And then this is going to go on this way or that way. I think that way. Like that. And then we're going to be done. So I'm just going to kind of put this together real quick, and I think I'm going to use some foam tape and dimensions. And there we go, we're all done. Super fast, super easy, but really beautiful, using that Crafter's Companion in Perfect Harmony collection. Hope you like that. Thanks for watching.